Hey guys, today I will show you how to add page border on Word. So without further ado, let's get into it. So as you can see, this is our page and I want to add a border in this page. So first go to Page Layout and click on Page Border. And to make sure you are in the Page Border tab. Now you can choose any border style you want in this section. And you can also choose color and choose the width of your border. And if you want any art, you can choose it right here. And now I want to apply this border in the whole document, so click on this. Now click on OK. Now, as you can see, we added our border successfully. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.